What's up? Roger Ratchet here. Coming at you again. Well, today, we are working on this, or well, we were working on it. It has been fixed. This is a 2019 Chevy Silverado, and this is the all-inclusive LED package. Everything on the vehicle is LED except for turn signals. I don't know why they didn't do that. Anyway, off course here. I've noticed that some people have been having trouble with the lights flashing when at highway speeds and behind other traffic. Well, I've had that issue myself, and I have gone through and I have found every ground wire on the front of this thing, and I have taken them off. I have cleaned them. I have even gone as far as adding ground wires, and the lights flashing on this is not a ground issue. I've been inside, outside, top side, bottom side, side to side. I have had a diagnostic computer hooked up to it, and I have done diagnostic testing to every function on this entire truck. Everything checks out okay. And this is a situation that you cannot create when it's not moving. It has to be at highway speeds, normally around 70 mile an hour, 75. And it gets worse when you get behind traffic, especially tractor trailers. And I have come to the conclusion it is not a light problem. Because see, these LED lights, I've noticed that it's mostly the right side that does it, but every now and then the passenger side will join in and do a little dance. But on these LEDs, you look in there, there's no bulbs. There is no bulbs in these. You see reflectors. But if you look up, you probably can't see them in this. Well, I think you can see this one. It's got like a, let me see. It's like right there on the roof. There is an LED plate. It does not shine forward, it shines downward. Now, I've noticed when the lights go flashing that it affects more of the light shining directly on the ground, directly in front of the truck. Not so much the light that shines outward. Now, seeing as how this situation gets worsened by following traffic, especially tractor trailers, it kind of makes you wonder which wires are in the direct wind path. And we're not going to go into the science of actions of wind behind vehicles and how it's not a straight wind, that it's a, yet we're not going to go into that science. We're not here to make your head hurt today. But it's not the lights. I've been through every wire on the front of this truck. It's not the lights. The lights are perfect. Absolutely nothing wrong with it, nothing wrong with the systems. Grounding is absolutely perfect. But this is one I've been working on for over a month. I thought finally this is one that I can't figure out. But then I was sitting here like this. Well, let me flip you around here. Sitting here like this, had my hand like this, had my other hand up here on the hood, sitting here thinking about this situation, and I realized, let me flip you back around here, my bug shield was loose. Yeah, look at there, that's loose. You see that clip right there? That is not shoved up on there. Well, no big deal. I bumped it a few times, knocked it up on there. Good to go again. Come over to the other side. It was loose too, but it wasn't all the way off. It was mainly on there. I bumped it on there. And I'll sit here scratching my head for probably another hour. And then I went for a drive and I had no flashing. I thought, well, I found the problem. It was the bug shield. And I figured that little screw right there that holds that clip on was probably hitting that headlight housing. But then I started checking the headlight housing. There's no marks. Absolutely nothing. It is pristine. So what I did was I pulled the hood down. With the hood down, you can see that that bug shield comes down in front of the top of that lens. Now, if that's unclipped, that's down there. With the wind catching it, it's pushing it down even more. So, when you're behind traffic, your bug shield's doing that. So, it's not a headlight problem, it's a bug shield problem. And it is basically blocking the light beam coming off of the headlight and onto the road. It's the same thing as if you would put your hand in front of the light. It will stop the light from going forward. That's what that bug shield's doing. Regrettably, I have to admit, such a simple fix took me over a month to figure it out. But I've also been online. I've been on YouTube. I've been on Google. I've been on Ask Jeeves and all of those. I've been on Yahoo. Nobody has an answer for that. Well, unless there's one or two that I've missed on the world wide webs, I guess I'll be the first one to post that I do have a fix for that. It's free, it's easy, it's so simple it'll almost make you cry. But there you go, guys. It's not even a light problem, it's a bug shield problem. So if you're having this problem, you don't even have to pop your hood. Just feel right there, you find that screw with your finger, bump it up. Come over here, find that screw, bump it up. Just pop that clip right back on there. And I was thinking back when something pushed down on that bug shield that would have popped them off of there. And I remembered right before I had this problem, yeah, she's a little dirty. It's been over a month since she's had a bath. But before I had this problem, I pressure washed the truck. And I pressure washed down in here. So that pressure washer has hit that and pushed that clip off. So anytime you wash your car, if you've got this body style Silverado pickup, any Chevy product with this body style, these headlights, anytime you wash your car, push up on that bug shield. That'll save you a headache later. All right, so another fix. Until next time, I'm Roger Ratchet, and thank you for watching.